you with that. Here are a lot of steps how to fix a broken laptop. Step 1. Get your saw out and lightly scrape it. Step 2. Get the laptop, put it on the floor. Step 3. Wait, there's a CD in this. You get the CD. Make sure it's dead. You make sure the CD is dead. I can't do that, it's too scary. Well, good. Oh, good. Step 3. Get your laptop. Bash it on this rock. Ah, good. Step 4. Get the saw again. Then you open it up. There we go. Step 5. It's one of the most important steps. Make sure it's apart. So if you James Jams like screaming of laughter on the camera. But you've got to make sure it's apart.
iPad.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, you can make an iPad out of this. So next step. This saw is really helpful for you, so you really need a saw. You get the keyboard out. Oh God, come record this, James Johnson. You'll get all the keys out. So guys, James Jamside's laugh. Okay, next. Well, you make sure most of them are. Next step is one of those fun ones. You make sure it's absolutely fixed. Good. Oh, quite a few steps you need in this. Guys, you gotta run up for this. Okay, guys, this is final step. One of the most, second final step. You destroy. Not destroy. You fix the last of it. See, this is absolutely great, isn't it? See, you got an iPad. At least you got an iPad out of it. Okay, you then bash the screen a little bit, and oh God, not a lot, only a little bit. Oh, that's good. Remember, only a little bit, not too much, or else the laptop will break. find something interesting. Well, guys, the thing you've learned from this video is not to mess with AXD. God damn it. This is really... So, don't know what to do with this now. Final step with the keyboard, what we do is easily just throw it in a tank of water, then squeeze it up, and it should be working great as new. Second thing, so we got the first bit, and then just take this all together. So, I've got to destroy the last one. Okay, guys. This is perfect. We should use this for the... Wait, it's still not finished. One of the best things about a laptop is, it's always great working when you watch this video. This video is going to help you fix any problems you have with your laptop. If it's not working, the keyboard's out. God damn. So next thing is you take the keyboard out. Give it a little swim. Come. No one can see. You give it a little swim. Perfect. Just a swim. And then you just smash it on the keyboard. And then, oh yeah, how could I forget about the disc thing? Shit. Oh fuck. Oh dang. So what you do is, you plop it in there, give it a little swim. Oh guys, sorry, I sank. Oh guys, looks like you're gonna be watching Netflix. I mean, not Netflix, fuck it. You ain't gonna be watching any CDs. So next thing, this is one of the most important shits. So, what is this? I mean, I know a lot about computers. How to fix them. Sorry guys, I'm kind of torturing this wall now. Oh, guys, that actually hurts. Sorry guys if you saw my pants there. Don't look. Next thing, this is one of the most important pieces. A laptop can't go without this. I mean, your laptop's going to be absolutely fixed if you do this. Oh guys, look. So, first thing you do is take out this silver thing. And actually, that's not what you do. I was lying. What you do is take out this white thing. Good. And no, that's not what you have to do. Take out this thing. Yeah! Take out, you don't need that. It just gives it viruses. Next thing you do is... Oh shit, I don't know anything about it. I mean, like, next thing you do is... God, that's so hard. I don't know anything about laptops. I mean, I know a lot about laptops. What you do is you do this, I think. Oh yeah, that's what you do. That's definitely what you do. You put that, and this gives you good viruses. So let's just wash this out for any bad viruses. Come. Why are you going? You need a camera on this shit. Most people won't know what they're doing, and they might break the laptop. So yeah, sorry for James Jamsai laughing at this. He doesn't know what he's doing. I think he thinks laptops have to be fixed the other way. That's wrong. So what you do is this. Then what you do is you kind of... oh, god damn, fuck. Okay. What you do is... you press this to see if it's working. Whee! Oh, yeah, it's working really well. Guys. Okay, good. Then, the last bit is you give this a little swim. Come on, James Jamsai, let's go. Just be careful, you might get an electric shock. Oh, this is actually deep water. Okay, so yeah, give it a little swim. It has to be refreshing out of all of the viruses and diseases. So guys, remember when your laptop has a virus, remember to take it to Dr. Pepper. So let's go. Last thing is, perfect. What you do now is you tape all of the bits together like, oh no, that's not a computer bit. So what you do is, you tape all of this together, like I'm pretending to tape it. Then your laptop's new! Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Your laptop's probably working now. Also, big thanks for James Jamsai recording the actual video.
Yeah, my man.
Yeah, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Now your laptop's probably working great as new. It might be a little bit not like you seen it before, but still working. So okay guys, here, test drive. This is to see if my schemes actually work. Okay, where's the on button? I can't find the on button. Okay guys, in your computer there's probably an on button. Oh yeah, I found the on button. Ooh, oh no, it's not working, sorry. Okay guys, so I watched this video and actually did what I did. You're really stupid, sorry. But you are, because I kind of maybe broke my laptop. I could have saved it, but you guys will help me buy another one, won't you? Well guys, thank you for watching the video anyway. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!